think he's 6-7 weeks.
Which leg did we do?
We did the right. Do you want me to walk behind?
Yeah, just walk him around a bit, yeah. Jeez, he looks good, doesn't he?
Doesn't he look great? Look
Woo.
at him.
Total hip replacement 6 weeks ago. Just bring him back this way. Come on.
Come on.
Beautiful dog.
Come on.
Come on, mate.
Nervy.
Come on, mate.
Come on, Bubba.
His legs nice and strong, isn't it?
Yeah, it's looking great, isn't it?
He knows how to use his legs.
Stop.
It's all right, mate.
Very anxious.